As I have told you that the topic center of gravity is long in a sense that we have to discuss the center of gravity of regular shaped objects as well as irregular shaped objects. So this lecture 39 part 1 is the continuation of the previous lecture, that is 39 part 1 is in two parts, further two parts. In the first part of 39 part 1 I have discussed the center of gravity of regular shaped objects, and now I am going to cover the in 39 in this lecture. This is the continuation of 39 part 1. In this I am going to cover the center of gravity of irregular shaped objects. So let's start. The center of gravity can exist inside a body or outside the body. Position of the center of gravity depends upon the shape of the body. The knowledge of center of gravity helps a lot in solving the problems on equilibrium. If you want to find out the center of gravity of an irregular shaped body, we can use different methods, but here I will discuss you one method which you can see here with the help of the plumb line. This is the plumb line. I must tell you first of all, what do we mean by plumb line? When a heavy body of a small volume is hung by a string or by a wire, its weight acts vertically downward, due to which the string hangs vertically. The system of the string or the wire and the weight is called a plumb line. The system of the string or any of the thread and the weight is called a plumb line, and the builders use a plumb line to keep the wall vertically straight. This plumb line is used by the builders and it is helpful for them to keep the wall vertically straight. Okay, this is helpful, this weight of small volume and the string or any wire or any steel, we can say rod is helpful to make a plumb line, and this is helpful for the builders. Now if we use this plumb line to find out the center of gravity of irregular shaped body, so at that time we have to hang any irregular shaped paper or cardboard and at some point, say this is point A, and with the help of this plumb line we get the line A and small a, that is capital A and small a, and this capital A and small a makes a line, straight line, which is helpful to find out the center of gravity. How? I have to show you this thing. Here you can see the point A is there, and the plumb line is used to make a line, capital and small a, and this point A is placed at some point. We have to drill 3 points A, B and C or more than that for the irregular to find out the center of gravity of irregular shaped body, and we have to hang it all these points through a nail. Okay, we hang this paper or cardboard with the help of a nail at these points. So we get the first line capital A small a with the help of the this plumb line. Then we will hang this irregular shaped body at point B, where we get the line capital B and small b. Okay, capital B and small b with the help of this plumb line, and then we will hang this irregular shaped body at point C, where we get capital C and small c with the help of this plumb line. I must show you one step by step, one by one. Here you can see the line capital A and small a. Now I will show you how we can get the point, how we can get the line capital B and small b. When plumb line is displaced, it always comes to rest in vertical position. You can see here, when it is displaced, the plumb line always comes to rest in vertical position. I want to show you the line drawn, that is capital A and small a, with the help of the plumb line. Just see the line capital A and small a. I have just removed the plumb line for your so that you can see this line. Previously, we hang this irregular shaped paper at point A, and we got line capital A and small a, and now we are hanging this irregular shape paper at point B, and with the help of plumb line we get line B, capital B and small b. You can see here with the help of the plumb line we got the line capital B and small b, which is passing through the line capital A and small a. जो हमें previous line जो capital A और small a की मिली थी, तो अब जो लाइन मिली है कैपिटल बी और स्मॉल बी की, वो पास कर रही है, क्रॉस कर रही है किसको, कैपिटल ए और स्मॉल ए की लाइन को. कहां पे, एट पॉइंट जी. दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ where the whole weight of the body, this irregular body appears to at this point. Okay, if we hang the paper at some other point, say C, then we draw a line capital C and small c with the help of a plumb line, then this line will also pass through point G. You can see the line capital C and small c which we have got with the help of the plumb line passing through the center G. It means that the center of gravity of an irregular body can be found out with the help of this one method, and this is the plumb line method, and we get the intersection of all the three lines, that is capital A and small a, capital B and small b, capital C and small c at this junction, and this is the point where the whole weight of this irregular body appears to act, and so that is why this is called the center of gravity of this irregular shaped body. So in this way we can find out the center of gravity of irregular bodies with the help of the plumb line. Yes girls, I hope you have understood about the center of gravity. Your homework, your task for the day today is to learn the chart 6.1, which is on page number 89 of your textbook, which I have just shown you, and you have to learn the definition of center of gravity as well from your notes. Okay, so that's all for the lecture today. Inshallah we'll meet in the next class with the new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.